What's it like out through here? Did y'all come out through here
We
yet?
didn't make it that far.
Oh.
Then our group started going, and some other guys told us we lost our feeder, so we went back and got it.
Yeah.
If we catch up to them, do they tell them anything?
Yeah, there's a rhino and a four-seater.
Okay.
Just that we'll be there soon. He
Well,
had to
you
go
need
all
to-
the way back down to the bottom of the
And
hill.
you're from Kingston.
Yeah.
I'm from Kingston.
Are you from Kingston?
Yeah, Lonville Road over there.
Oh,
Yeah.
we're in Midtown.
Midtown. Okay.
Yeah, right there near
Who
the
got hung
hospital.
up on the hill climb?
That's Matt. And he's got Dan behind him.
You guys were just down at the store, weren't you?
Huh? Yeah.
Yeah, we were
Yeah.
too.
Yeah, that's a little rough and a little slick.
Yeah.
Did
Rocky?
Rocky went up on that ledge. Last time I looked, he was sideways. I don't know how he kept going.
He's a legend in his own mind.
Huh?
He's
He's a legend in his own mind.
Oh yeah.
That's a heck of a climb, Dave.
Yeah.
Did it bust it all to pieces?
oh,
Damn, we didn't know he ripped it off.
That other kid on the dirt bike
ripped
told
off
us.
your fender, huh?
yeah.
I'm glad he told us though. That's about a $500 little piece.
That's a hell of a climb for an old man, ain't it?
Damn right.
I know. I've had to walk up them hills. See, I'm an old gray-headed fart too.
I'm white-headed, I'm not gray. I'm gonna be on. Hey, hey,
Hey, did we decide who was the oldest between me and you, Steve?
I'm 52.
Oh shit, I'm 58.
I'm older than you.
You're 58?
Yeah.
Damn, y'all got some stamina to be out here at 58 doing dirt biking.
I'm telling you, yeah.
God. That's crazy.
Yeah.
Stop and get your breath for a minute or two.
Both those guys are free. Yeah, they stopped in the best spot.
Yeah.
Guy on the bike's got the